Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure at your homes. Children, today I am going to teach you CVC sound words of IG egg. P says per plus IG egg, PIG pig. B says burr plus IG egg, BIG big. F says f plus IG egg, FIG fig. D says D plus IG egg, DIG dig. W says war plus IG egg, WIG wig. G says G plus IG egg, GIG gig. I hope children CVC word of sound egg is clear to you. Thank you.